Welcome. This video brought you Group Pretext in Infotech International Asia Campus. We would like to share a little bit of piece of information under the title of Number System. Let's start then. Introduction. Here our primary goal is bringing you a short introduction to the numbers, symbols that help for operation of computers and other electronic devices in today's world. Let's see what is a number system. A numeral system or a numeration is a writing system for expressing numbers that is a mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. The same sequence of symbols may represent different numbers in a different numeral systems. Numbers have been factors throughout our recorded history. Early humans likely counted animals in a flock or members on trip using body parts or telemarks. But as their complexity, life increased along with the number of things to count. This method was no longer sufficient. So as they developed, different civilizations came up with a way recording higher numbers. Many of these systems like Greeks, Hebrew and Egyptian numerals where they are extension telemarks with a new symbols added large magnetic value. Each symbol was repeated thus many times necessary to and over added together. Let's see what is a bit and byte. A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. Each bit can only show two status, a 0 or a 1 state, represented by the bit being turned on or off. Although computers usually provide instructions that can test and manipulate bits, they generally are designed to store data and execute instructions in bit multiples called a byte. In most computer systems, there are 8 bits in a byte. The value of the bit is usually stored as either above or below designed level of electronic charge in a single capacitor with a memory device. Let's see what is a binary number. A binary number is a number that includes only ones and zeros. The number could be any of length. The following are all examples of binary numbers. Place values. Multiply this number by the 1 or 0 in its place. Let's see what is an octal. The octal numeral system, or oct for a short, is the base 8 number system, and they use the digits of 0 to 7. Octal numerals can be made from binary numerals by the grouping consecutively binary digits into a group of 3. Binary to octal conversion. Converting the binary number to its octal equivalent. Separate the digits of given binary number into a groups from right to left side, each containing 4 bits. Find in the equivalent octal number for each group. Writing the all groups octal numbers together, maintaining the group's order provides the equivalent octal number for the given binary. Here the result. Let's see what is hexadecimal. In mathematics and computing, hexadecimal, also based 16. Hex is a positional numeral system with a radius of base of 16. It uses 16 distinct symbols, most often symbols 0 to 9 to represent values 0 to 9 and A to F, or alternative A to F to represent values 10 to 15. Hexadecimal numbers are widely used by the computer system designers and programmers as they provide a more human-friendly representation of binary coded values. Each hexadecimal digit represents 4 binary digits, also known as numerical, which is a half a byte. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. Converting the binary number to its hexadecimal equivalent. Separate the digits of a given binary number into a groups from a right side to left side, each group containing 4 bits binary number. Finding the equivalent hexadecimal number for each group. Here have some examples. See, it is easy to understand. Writing the all group hexadecimal numbers together maintaining the group order provides equivalent hexadecimal numbers given a binary. Here the result. So, thank you for watching this video.